The Tortoise and the Bird. Once upon a time, in a dense jungle, there lived a tortoise. One day, the tortoise came to rest under a tree, where birds have built their nest on a hot and humid summer afternoon. He looked up the tree and saw a bird's nest perched on a tree branch above him. The tortoise began to tease the bird for the shabby, frail nest she had constructed of twigs and sticks. "What a dingy home you have," the tortoise mockingly said to the bird. "It is constructed of broken sticks and has no roof," he continued. "Moreover, it appears to be in poor condition. Worse yet, you had to build it yourself. I believe my house, which is my shell, is far superior to your pitiful abode." The tortoise boasted about how much stronger and better his shell was. The bird, on the other hand, was unconcerned. "Yes, it is made of broken sticks, has a rugged appearance, and is exposed to the elements. It is crude, but I constructed it and I like it," the bird chirped. The tortoise continued to brag about his shell. "I suppose it's just like any other dirty nest. Not as good, as beautiful as mine," the tortoise observed. "You must nonetheless be envious of my shell," he chattered. The bird replied, "My nest may be small, however, it can accommodate my entire family." The bird exclaimed excitedly, fed up with the tortoise boasting. "On the contrary, your shell is only big enough for you, and lonely because it only holds you. Perhaps you live in a nicer house, but I have a better home." When the tortoise heard this, he felt bad about his naughty and disputatious behavior towards the bird and realized his mistake. Unlike his large shell, the bird's habitat was small but full. He walked away, his head hung low in shame. The moral of the story is that we should never disrespect anyone based on their different lifestyle, social class, and cultural background. I hope you liked the story. Please like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification button.